To create a custom field and control its availability, come into the Admin Products, scroll down to Custom Fields, and create a new custom field. Now, custom fields are used to gather additional information and/or upcharge the customer for a particular product. Now, one of the most common uses of custom fields are going to be something like player name. And when you have something like player name, we really want the customer to be able to typeset some text and then it automatically add a cost to it. So if we scroll down here, we actually have the ability to choose what type of custom field. Like I said, we're going to do a text field here. And over here we have our gear. So we're going to click on the gear. And we're going to choose New Field Affects Price. And that allows us to set a price. So we'll say, hey, if somebody starts typing a name, it's going to add $5. And that's how it works. Now, we're not done yet because custom fields need to be assigned to particular products and also have store availability set. So what we're going to do is come over to store availability. And by default, we're going to say, no, this is not on any store by default. And then select the store we want to make it available to. So now this is available to customshirts.org. We'll click Save. And if we come back to our original name, you'll notice that I did not make the field on by default or require it. I don't want this field to just be on. I highly suggest controlling custom fields at a product group level. So products are put into groups: drinkware, hats, apparel. Most products by default are going to be in the apparel product group. And within the product group settings, we can come into custom fields and we can control which fields we want on. So maybe player name. And you see that there's two options here. On the left, it is on the right, it's required. So for player name, I'm going to actually have it on, but I'm not going to require it. If you don't want a name, you don't want a name. But if you start typing a name, it's going to add $5. And we'll click Save. Just because I turned it on within the apparel product group doesn't mean that it's actually on for all websites. Remember, I set the store availability within the field itself. So this field, player name, is only available on the website customshirts.org for products within the apparel group. Okay? So if we end up going to view our products, and we'll just select a product within the apparel group. So we'll go to the PC450 here. And if we click on view product, it's actually going to take us to our first Deco site, which happens to be the one I assigned this to. And on this page, we can have custom fields displayed. Now, if you don't see the custom fields, do know that if you come into the page, this is the blank product page. Sometimes it's the view pre-decorated product page. Make sure that your custom fields are on. So show fields. Yes, I do want to show my fields, and there's player name. So if you don't see it right off the bat, do know that you need to make sure that that setting is on so that it does display. And you'll see right now we're 518. We'll go ahead and add my last name and watch that add $5. 1018. It's really that easy to add a custom field, have it affect the price, and set the availability so that it's not on all products and all stores by default.